Hello nail friends, this is Stacy from Wine and Dip, and I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing of my Peppi mystery box for January, and then I will also do a mani with it. So it's got a really cute box with like hearts and stuff, and the colors are inside. This color is called Exhilarating. Oh, it's really pretty. It looks like there are some foils in there. And then this color is called Entranced. It's got a really light pink. And then they also include the swatch sticks. So that one's for Exhilarating. And this one's for Entranced, and Entranced is a glow. So I will swatch these and be back. Alright, so I'm back and I have swatched these two colors. Here is Entranced and Exhilarating, and I'm going to do mani with them. And then also notice this really cute background given to me by my nail bestie, Kayla. Thank you, it's adorable, I love it. So what I think I'm gonna do is Exhilarating on my thumb and my ring finger, and I'm gonna do Entranced on the rest of my fingers. So I'm gonna put this guy away for now. And I'm gonna start with this finger. And I am dipping on my shorties. Since the time I took the video of the unboxing to now, I took off my builder gel and now I have shorties. Just gonna let my natural nails grow. I always say that and then I put fake nails on, so we'll see how long that lasts. This color so far is really, really light. Both of my hands in the same color. That's the beauty of dipping on shorties. Then I will soak off when I'm ready to do another mani in a few days. Might have to do 4 dips of this color to get full opacity. We'll see. do one more dip. I feel like I'm missing this edge right here, so I'm gonna try to fill that in. My nails are a little damaged from builder gel, so I'm gonna have to file them down a little bit when I have the product on there. I don't like to file my natural nail. This color is really light, but it's not like hard to use like a white. It's easier than that, which I think is kind of cool. Goes like that. Then I'm going to cap and clear. This is my Maniboss Clear. Cover the clear before I wipe my nail off. I'll let that soak in for a second, and then I'm going to wipe off the clear and activate, and then it's time for exhilarating. Activate these. I kind of like that this is like their Valentine's set, and the color is kind of dark with pink foils. It's kind of cute. I'm going to tap the foils to the top. Lay into them. This is really pretty. Very pretty. This is probably going to take 3 dips to get fully opaque too, because it's like pretty see-through. You would classify this as like a dark gray. Looks like there's like little glitters in it too. It's really cool. Makes it pretty different. make sure these are nice and dry before I try to use my scrubby brush on them. I'm just going to do one more dip, and then I'm going to encapsulate in clear. I'm getting these foils everywhere, so there's that. Soak in, then encapsulating clear. I have one of those tabletop vacuums that'll run over this. It'll pick it right up. My glitter clear. It's got various glitter pieces in it, so I don't contaminate a nice non-glitter clear that I like to use on solid colors. And I'm just going to pat down the clear so it kind of like gets in all the grooves of the glitter and the foils. Now I'm going to activate these. Alright, and then I'm going to wait 2 minutes, and I'm going to file and buff, and I'm going to do this hand, and I'll be back. Hello, I'm back, and I'm also doing a voiceover. I actually activated my left hand. I forgot to hit record, and now I'm going to do some top coat. So while I'm doing top coat, I will recommend another true crime podcast, and that podcast is Bear Brook, and it's about bodies that were found in barrels in Bear Brook, New Hampshire, and how they were able to use forensic science and some other things that I won't give away to identify the bodies and find out who did it. So it was really, really cool, very in-depth. I would recommend listening to the podcast before you search for it on a show, because it does have a 2020 episode, but the podcast is just a lot more in-depth in the whole process. So I do recommend you listen to that first. So now I'm just finishing up these nails, and I'm going to do my right hand off camera and come back with some cuticle oil. I'm using my favorite cuticle oil today, which is the Poolside Ice scent. It's hard to say favorite, right? Like they're all my favorite at any given moment. One of them is my favorite, but I love the Poolside Ice because it smells like a lime popsicle and it's delicious. So while I finish this up, you'll see the final mani at the end and also some pictures. I hope that you liked this mystery box mani, and I will definitely do another one with my next mystery box, which should be here soon. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you on the next one.